Where is that treasure?
Well, apparently, we need to go along this beach for some time before we get anywhere close to where the treasure is located, mate.
Is that all you could give for directions?
Actually, I think he's right. If you look at the statue's eyes, they seem to be looking that way.
They're looking the other way now.
We must have missed something. Let's go back.
They're looking back again. Dios mío! Is this some sick trick?
Let's go back again. Well, I think we're supposed to go inside of this cliff.
How are we going to do that?
Maybe there is a clue somewhere around here. Let's take a look.
Remember, no tricks. Not talking about the cereal.
Hey, I found something!
It looks like some sort of keyhole. What do we put in it? It looks like it's meant for one of the portal keys. Johnny, try the green one.
We're almost there.
Come on, we don't have a minute to lose.
You men, stay out here and guard our backs.
Ooh, look! Treasure!
Is it the Hidden Mysteries?
No, it's just a ring. There's an inscription. Whosoever removes this ring from my finger will die a horrible and painful death. Ah! I've been cursed!
Oh, that's horror.
Get moving. There are far more important things that need to be done today. Johnny, from here on out, you know what to do. Get me the Hidden Mysteries.
Well, I'm gonna need those portal keys. Now, what order do they go in?
What's the problem?
Johnny, why don't you use the rubbing from Newfoundland with the circles containing animals?
Don't take all day.
What are you waiting for? An engraved invitation?
Don't worry, he has it under control.
He did it!
All who enter with greed in their hearts will be destroyed, but those with unselfish love will be rewarded.
Ah, there it is. I see it. It is the stone of the Hidden Mysteries.
Dios mío, have you ever seen such wealth?
Ho ho ho! It's more than I thought possible. Ooh, pretty lights.
Patrick, shut up.
Sarah, go help your father bring out the Hidden Mysteries.
And if we decide not to?
What do you suppose the hidden mysteries are? I didn't see anything they were talking about.
When you looked into the portal, what did you say?
Lance and I with 2 young children, 1 boy and 1 girl. Do you think it shows our future?
It can't! I saw my father in there.
Oh, Dad, turn around.
Dad? Is that really you?
Yes, a phantom of sorts. Listen, we don't have much time. The portal shows your innermost desires.
That's not good. We're supposed to bring out Jim's vision of the Hidden Mysteries. If we don't, he's gonna kill Pippin. I can't deal with this anymore.
Fear not. I can see what he sees, and feel what he feels. This gem will not last long in the outer world. Take it, and go!
But I've got so many questions!
Now is not the time. Go! And it is my honor to have finally met you, Sarah. You may keep Lance around. He's just alright.
This has been amazing, Grandpa Daniel.
Wow, it's more beautiful than I ever imagined.
Orders are to destroy it.
Change of plans. If the Club of Rome, and more importantly I, have these powers, we'll be able to control the world.
That's not the plan.
I said there's been a change of plans.
What about what's owed to us?
They are silenced, just like Daniel Thunder and Gabaro.
Did you kill my father?
No, that was his honor.
Say, I never claimed to be an honorable man. They offered me $1 million.
But the collision is what killed him. My man was remote controlling the car, but what I lost that day was worth much more.
A friendship.
No. They still owe me for the hands I lost that day. That is why I went off on my own and have since had nothing to do with the club.
Too bad, Sinister. Today, all of you helped me become the most powerful being in the universe. Johnny Thunder, what is the meaning of this?
It's been returned to its proper place.
Billy?
Maybe you have to retrieve it yourself in order for it to stay in your possession.
Is that you, Billy?
What happened?
Billy? Is that you? Sammy! Look, it's Billy!
Oh, goody.
Dad?
Yes, my son.
Are you alive too?
I only have a brief time left, but all will be well, now that my work here is done.
Your work?
The Illuminati, in our line, was destined to destroy them, so they tried to eliminate us. First by killing me, then by trying to kill Pippin, but they have not succeeded.
What about the rest of the Illuminati?
Do not concern yourselves with that. It will all be resolved. I am so proud of you, Jonathan. My son. You've done so much good for the world.
I'd hate to disappoint you, but I haven't done that great of a job.
You've made a wonderful woman happy to raise a daughter together with love. There's nothing greater than that. I love you so much, Jonathan.
I love you too, Dad. But before you leave, what are the hidden mysteries?
It is one belief that each ancient civilization believed. Greed will destroy the world, while unselfish love and understanding would bring peace. The portal is a representation of this. That is why Jim Carrey's greed destroyed him, while John Parker's unconditional love for his brother saved him.
Too bad the world doesn't fully understand this belief.
It's up to you, Sarah, to show the world the virtues of love and charity. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Grandpa Daniel. Hurry! The cave's collapsing!
Everyone out of the cave! Now!
Well, it looks like this adventure is just about over.
Looks like Lord Sinister and his men have disappeared once again.
I'm sure he'll be back next time.
In that case, it looks like it's time to head home and tell everyone about our discovery.
This will certainly be a new beginning for all of us.
Not just that, with the hidden mysteries uncovered and the Illuminati unmasked, this will be a new beginning for everyone. Come on, let's go home as a new era in history dawns.
But your troubles are far from over, Johnny.
I'll show him who's a tough cowboy.
Not as tough as me.
Ugh. Well, there could be worse.
There you are, Sammy!
Me and my big mouth.
Hetty, I can't find our backpack anywhere. I think we left it on Easter Island.
That's okay. We'll buy a new one.